Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Bike check in the rain.
Alright. Bike check. Trailer park frame. It's nice, I've had it a few months now. 21.1 inch top tube. Yeah, start from the top. Cool waffle grips, I think they are. Pretty nice. Just don't got the barons because I lost them. Hey? Here comes the rain. Vocal local bars, pretty nice, pretty big. Proper stem, like it, makes bars high. Odyssey top cut does the job. Got the Odyssey forks to go with that. It's really nice. Got the Fit Fast tyre 2.25, but I got my wheel off my old We The People and a salt peg, but you can't get hub guards for it because the shit and don't make them for the hubs. And obviously trailer park frame is really nice, I like it, it's white. We've got a stock seat post because I really see the point in buying that. I got Federal mid seats, pretty nice, got it today, liking it. Got in the middle, BSD bottom bracket, I say bottom bracket's bottom bracket really. Got the Odyssey Thunderbolts even. There you go, pretty nice, like them. Trail mix, magnesium pedals, because I'm a weight weenie. Like stuff light, it's better. Easier to do shit. I'm gonna flip my bike around. Yeah, on this side got the proper microlight sprocket 25 tooth. It's nice, it's light, and then I've got a split link KMC chain. Standard, does the job. Back wheel same as the front. We The People wheel, salt, it's alright, and then 2.3 faff tyre with the same salt peg. Yeah, that's my bike. Cheers.